Optional parameters for nanoflows and microflows make adding parameters to existing flows easier. As you can see here, I've got some optional and I've got some required parameters, and I pass some of them through and some of them not. Previously, you would need to set the default value on every call instance of the flow which you've added the parameter to nanoflows or to microflows, whether they were called from pages or as subflows. With this feature, you can add a parameter and set the default value for all existing call instances of the view, or maybe even ignore it when making a new call. This works from pages, nanoflows, calling microflows and nanoflows from microflows and nanoflows, and of course, you can still keep your required parameters if needed. As you can see here, now that I'm calling the flow, several aspects of the both optional and required parameter are being passed through, as you can see in the debugger. Sometimes when it's not being passed through, it uses the default value. If it is passed through, it uses the value that was passed. And of course, the required value is always passed as expected as well. Have you tried using the optional parameters yet? Do you think they're a great addition, or do you think they might add some code issues?